Welcome to episode 13 of the GrowthStart Insights video podcast. I'm Bernard Lutz, your host, and today we're going to be talking about how to build a successful online business. What does it take? Let's jump into it. So the first thing that you will need is patience. It does take a long time to actually see what works, what doesn't work. You really need to be patient and keep going. Make sure that you know that it is going to take some time up front. It's not going to happen overnight. It's going to require time and it's going to require dedication. Yes, it is going to happen a bit quicker for some people and it's going to take a little bit longer for other people, but it is going to happen as long as you are patient. The next thing that you will need is consistency. Make sure that you put in the work every single day. The longer you keep at it, the longer you're patient and you are consistent with what you're doing, there's no other way but being successful at the end of it. As long as you are consistent and you keep putting that working every day, you are going to be successful at it. The third thing is that you need to choose something that you are passionate about, that you really believe in, that you want to actually do. If you do that, it will help you in aspects of being patient and being persistent and being consistent with what you're doing. You won't be successful at something that you really hate doing and that you don't want to do. You need to find something that you are really curious about, that you want to explore, that you want to work at, that you are passionate about, and that you actually enjoy and love doing. Persistence is key as always. You have to be persistent. When you fail, learn from that failure. Learn from your mistakes, and the next time about it, do it better. Be persistent. Make sure that you just don't give up. When things get hard, keep at it. Keep going and just don't stop. Don't ever stop doing it, and you will become successful. The next thing that you need to do is testing. Now, testing is probably the biggest part of an online business. You need to test what works. You need to test products. You need to test the market. You need to test what your customers actually want. How can I provide them more value? How can I make them convert better on a sales page? All of it is testing, and the more data that you accumulate, you'll be able to tell what works and what doesn't. So data, and using that data to make better informed decisions for your online business is going to end up making you successful at it. Use all the information that you can possibly gather about your customer, about your product. Use things like Google Analytics to track your user behavior on your website. Where do they click? Where do they actually exit out of the page? All those things are going to tell you what to improve on your website, as an example. You can also send questionnaires to your customers and ask them. They are obviously the people that buy your product, and they will know best what works, what doesn't, and what suggestions they give you are normally things that you can improve on, and you can make your whole business work better by doing this. Now, the last thing that I'm going to share with you is consistent improvement. The longer you are doing this and the more time you put into it and the more things that you try and every little piece of website data or product information that you make better, product images that you make looking better content that you put on your blog or on YouTube or on social media, every little thing that you do better over time is going to make you successful. And you just need to every single day try and improve, even if it's just 1%. If you improve 1% over a period of a year, you would have improved 365%. Now that's freaking big growth. That's big improvement. And how can you not be successful if you've improved over 300% in a year? There's just no way that you can't. So keep at it, be consistent, find something that you're passionate about, don't give up, be persistent, and just never give up. Just keep at it, keep going. The longer you're going to do it, the more likely your chances of being successful. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that it was valuable for you. please subscribe to our channel. We'll appreciate it. Thank you and take care.